So you've gotten to Canvas, which is great. I just wanted to go over a couple things with you. Once you click on the course, it's going to bring you home. I always want you to click modules because that's going to put everything in order for you. So even though there's only one module, by the end of summer there will be multiple, and it will help you to always go to the modules. At the home page, something that might be helpful to you is that you have your to-do list, so you can see when things are due and how many points they are worth. For my class, always going to modules. In this page, I'll always just give you a little description, what's going on. Welcome to your ELA summer school course. Only two things I want to focus on this week are getting to know you and learning the basics of Canvas. If you have any questions, please call or text me at 315-407-1305. You can email me as well if you want at my school email. Then you're going to hit next. This is a simple discussion post. There's a video here to help you learn how to do a discussion. Make sure you do both things. There's two parts to this. Respond to some of the following questions and then respond to your classmates. Remember, objective, just to get to know you, and this is just part of getting to know you and showing me that you can use Canvas. The next thing we have is a quiz. Instructions, take the following quiz. Oops, all of a sudden, maybe you remember you forgot to do something on the first page. Just hit previous, and this is that reason we're in the modules, and you can go back and add here. You can hit next. Now you're back to your quiz. You can hit take the quiz, answer these questions. These are fill in the blank, or these are essay questions. So you're going to want to type your responses to both of them, and then you'll hit submit quiz. Yours won't do that because you'll have answers in it, and then you will wait for your grade. Once you are done with your quiz, you scroll down and you hit next, always getting in that rhythm. And then here's your assignment page. There's a YouTube video here to help you if you need help with that. You have a 365 assignment page, you have a Word document page, you have a PDF document page, you also have a picture here. And then you're just going to want to make sure before you go anywhere else, and you'll see this is the end of this module, you want to hit submit assignment to make sure you're getting credit for that.